Today is going to be a crossover episode between Shefali and the boys. Chalo, let's go.
You're not telling me where we're walking to.
Because we have to meet up with Kavin first. So Bobby's Kavin is here getting a haircut. Hey, nice cutting da Kavin. So far so good.
So far, so good, bro.
Okay, what cutting you're getting?
I don't know, bro. It started. I was just like, okay, bro, do your thing.
Alright, Bobby's looks like Kavin is going to take another 15-20 minutes for his haircut. In the meantime, Shefali and I are going to share one white monster. You're supposed to make that face when you open. Get.
I open, I get to drink first.
Okay, drink. Usually I get the first sip. What is this? Bottoms up or what?
You know what I'm realizing? This has a bitter aftertaste.
That's the taste of artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners only taste good when you're sipping on it. Aftertaste is always bitter.
That's exactly you.
How does that make sense?
You are sweet in the beginning, but you're fucking bitter throughout. Through and through, you're a bitter fucking soul.
That's right, guys. Women love bitter souls.
So I'm thinking a little more short should get it, no?
I think, yeah. Is this your first time at a men's salon?
It's a unisex salon.
Do you see other women here?
It's written outside. Oh shit.
Huh?
I'll go out.
Doesn't look like he got a haircut.
Oh, go see how it was before, bro. The problem is my starting length is very long, so after haircut it doesn't seem like it.
So we'll go to the gym now and Kavan will shower at the gym. You're carrying towel?
Towel, shampoo, everything, bro.
Shampoo also you're carrying now. Damn.
Learn!
We'll do one thing. We'll take my car to the gym.
Mohit, there's no parking there. I
Oh.
got the last spot in that, bro. It's like I couldn't get out of the car, bro. This spot.
Come, I got you a white monster. See,
Thanks, Mohit.
guys, anybody comes to my house, food and all, no guarantee, but monster I definitely give. Bobby's, we out here. We are supposed to be training legs, but I feel like skipping legs today. Should I just do biceps, triceps?
That's crazy, bro. Guys, I'm doing legs. I don't skip legs. Still, mine are small.
Alright, Bobby's, this is the first time I'm squatting 100 kgs since my knee injury. It's a bad scene, and hopefully I can hit depth. How did it look?
Solid, bro. Good. Little more than parallel.
Little more than parallel?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that. Bobby's, somehow I'm pushing through this leg workout. Kavan gave me the motivation. How's your leg day going?
I want to go home, bro.
Bobby's, look who came.
Bro,
Who are you, bro?
who's this, bro?
Now,
Who's this?
he runs the vlog channel now.
My channel.
Done with the workout, Bobbies. We are now back home and we're doing the post-workout meal. Nishok is still at the gym finishing his training. So it is just the three of us who are going to be eating this. We have chicken and rice, spinach, dal and beetroot. Somebody's at the door. Who might it be? Sisya!
What's up?
Welcome.
Chappal din, no?
You can wear the chappal.
What's she doing here, bro? I thought it's all done, no?
Should be asking you the same question, Dishu.
So we have nothing to give to Nishok, so we're just giving him one white monster. Enough to make him happy, right?
Yeah, bro, no. I don't ask anything else. I don't want fancy dinner, nothing, bro.
That's a lie.
She giggled. Why did she giggle?
Because he gets more fancy dinners than I do.
Okay, Bobbies, the plan now is to go get something sweet first. So we'll go Kanti first and then we have to go look for an induction stove.
Oh,
You have a?
used to. Yeah, I have.
You have induction, no?
Yeah. I gave to my sister.
Oh, you don't have, no?
I also have, bro.
You have induction, no?
Yeah, I mean, it's just there. Like, we've always had.
Even you just bought one. So I'm left behind, guys. FOMO. I'm buying out of FOMO, okay? Bobbies, we've reached Kanti Sweets. Let's go get a chum chum. Which sweet do you want?
Bro, nothing.
Nothing, You?
Rasmalai.
Bobbies, 2 chum chum and 1 rasmalai. Should I try the rasmalai first? Actually, I'll only eat my chum chum. Bobbies, eat da.
You know,
1 chum chum.
I won't have.
You don't like chum chum, What?
I never tried.
Fine, try this one. You don't like it?
Dog is too sweet, huh?
Double standards, guys. Western food means very good. Indian chum chum, not good. Bobbies, Kavan and Nishok have gone to do some work. So Shefali and I have come alone to Adishwar to check out induction stoves. What do you think is the fair price to buy one?
I have no idea, bro.
Say what?
A girl who looks like you.
Guys, Shefali saw a girl who looks like me online. You're saying that looks like me?
Yeah, like the face cut.
So anybody with a sharp jawline looks like me?
Yeah.
Very nice. Oopsie, we're walking out empty-handed because out of stock. As expected. Do you think we are panicking for no reason?
Yes, but again, it's a purchase that's not gonna hurt you. It's not that much money and it's useful. If you ever run out of gas, I know you won't, but generally I'm speaking.
I guess. Let's go to Pi International.
Yeah, let's go.
We've reached Bobby's. Let's hope that Pi International has an induction stove. Sir, induction idea? Stock idea, sir? 2000 watts idea, madam.
Sir, 2000 watts ಇಲ್ಲ 1600 watt.
Bobby's, we are leaving empty-handed from here as well. They have a 1600 watt induction. We need a 2000 watt induction stove. If I don't find 2000, eventually I'll come by this 1600 itself.
I think you should check online, spend 10 minutes doing like a survey.
Alright, Bobby's, now looks like we have no choice but to explore Phoenix. Maybe Reliance Digital or Chroma might have. We've reached Chroma, Bobby's. Do you think these guys will have a 2000 watt induction?
I don't know, but do you want to buy me an iPhone?
Bro, you literally have like the latest iPhone.
No, I don't. So you should buy me one.
Guys, she has a 16 Pro, which is the same as mine. You don't need the 17.
When you buy a new one, will you give me yours?
We have the same phone.
Arey, you have better storage, na?
I have 1 TB.
So you deal, na? Deal.
Fine.
Shake hands. No money, okay, for that?
30k.
Dude.
Bro, Chroma also doesn't have. They got 180 stocks this morning and it got sold out in an hour. So I have given my number, waitlist pe dal diya hai. Maybe the next time they have it in stock, they'll call me. Maybe.
Come, we'll go to Zara.
Bobby's, we out here at Zara. Shefali only gets to buy a top that I like. What if I don't like anything? That means you don't get to buy anything.
You can't use that, huh?
What do you mean?
There are enough things to like.
This?
Yeah.
If I buy you this, then I have to take you out for a fancy dinner also.
Dude, if you can take Nishok out for a fancy dinner, you can take me also.
How much is it?
Just right under your budget.
2-3. The budget was 2.
Dude.
We haven't found anything that I like so far. Looks like I'm saving money today. Make memories, not content. I'll buy you this. Guys, she has started making content. I'll buy her this. This is 1300. Come, I'll buy you this.
No, I don't want that. Dude, you're so mean. You should wear it.
Dropping off Shefali at the metro station. She's leaving disappointed. She did not get a top, but she did get a good workout and a good post-workout meal. Hello. I'm feeding you such clean and healthy food. Alright, Bobbies, I've dropped off Shefali and now we're back with the boys. Kavan is taking us out for dinner. You're taking us, right?
Yeah, I'm taking you in my car, bro.
You're not treating.
My treat is the fuel, bro.
Okay, da, take shotgun. So we're taking Kavan back to Brisket and Chops. We liked it the first 2 times, but the one time we took Kavan there, it was horrendous. Like, it was so bad that we never wanted to go back. But we're giving it one last try. Bobbies, here we are at Brisket and Chops. We have ordered for our jerk chicken and it's cooking right now. The jerk chicken is here, Bobbies. I'll try.
Right. Is that barbecue?
Fuck, it's too hot. Yeah, it's barbecue sauce. It's too hot though. Guys, the fall off is crazy. Used to be one of our favorite spots in K-Town.
Definitely, bro. I put a story, bro. Imagine it was that good.
No cap, this place was a 5-on-5 the first 2 times. But the third time we brought Kavan, it was like a 1-on-5 and today was like a 3-on-5, okay?
Yeah, I'm not biased and all, bro. It was better than the first time. The first time I came was horrendous.
What do I say, man? I think I should have spoken to the owner regarding the same. So, Bobbies, now we are just driving in the bylanes of HRBR layout, hoping to find a place that we can just walk into because almost everything has shut by now. And also, we don't really know this area that well. Any recommendations in HRBR, Bobbies? Delicious Momo.
No.
No. Okay.
Only
Samsung.
delicious momos. No other momos are delicious.
No other Momo. Correct. Then where, bro? Everything is shut. Bro, this guy, Nafs Motors, has the best second-hand bikes.
Oh, I thought you were like, I'm gonna go eat.
Nishok is talking to a friend.
Stop stepping into K-Town like.
But tell me some low-key spots where I can go.
Asking girls for food recommendations is crazy, guys.
Low-key spots where boys can build. If you ask a girl and all. Nishok,
So tell me, bro.
Guys, Kavan is getting frustrated because he's not getting any food. He's literally saying, I'll go home and eat. Bro, can we check out this restaurant? Can we check out here? Bro, that looks little interesting. RS Biryani Point. People standing and eating biryani like that. Should we consider?
Anything, bro.
Guys, I saw a place on my Google Maps which I had bookmarked long ago called as Little Baghdad. So this is Little Baghdad. You fine with it?
Bro, anything, Dalu.
I think they have upstairs seating also. We're going up and checking it out. Bobby's is a little shady entrance, but let's see. These are the vibes inside. At first glance, it looked very weird, but after sitting, it's actually quite cozy.
Cozy is a good word, bro. Yeah.
Anna, cozy is the right word. So we've ordered one mutton shawarma, one chicken platter, and what else? One mutton seekh kebab. That's what we've ordered, Bobby's.
I just hope it's good, otherwise Kavan's gonna crash out, guys.
Yeah, Kavan will crash out otherwise.
I'm literally being so calm today. No more cortisol. I'm not even saying anything. Chumma, these guys just want to milk content out of me. I'm not even doing anything.
Bro, you know when like your friend is like, it's okay, bro, I'll just go home. That's more painful than him crashing out. You know.
Exactly. If he crashes out,
If he crashes, at least he's fine. Yeah.
Huh?
My turn to talk, bro. They said we'll go to brisket and chops. If it's bad, they'll sort the scene. 20 minutes it took them to sort the scene.
Bobby's, our mutton shawarma is here at Little Baghdad restaurant. Let me try the mutton shawarma, Bobby's. The meat is a little tough,
Little tough. That's what I was saying.
but yeah,
Flavors are good. Sauce is great.
I think it's a tawa shawarma.
Yeah.
Bobby's, the shawarma by itself is like a 7.5, but that sauce makes it an 8.5.
That's what I was saying. And the
Sauce is
the
insane.
hummus also is very well flavored.
Second dish is here, the mutton seekh kebab with some tahini, pita bread, and I think some tomato-based gravy, bro. That's the bite, bro. That's very enjoyable. If you like a good tangy flavor,
No, this tahini said right.
yeah, the tartness of the tomato, I love that. All in all, the review is it was unique.
A lot of places say Arabian cuisine and it's just like grilled food. I like that they went all the way with it.
Now this is a chicken platter that we have, some wings, some tikka, and this is probably like chicken seekh, bro. Bobby's, the food got inhaled.
If I want a good shawarma, I think I'll come here again.
Yeah, it's good. Bobby's, I just learned that upar jo seating thi, it opened only today. This downstairs has been open for a long time, but the upstairs opened only today. Bro, we are a part of history, bro.
Yeah, bro, first time.
Anna?
Can't believe today's the day this thing is open and all.
Chalo now, dessert.
Hey.
Milano. Bobby's, we out here at Milano K-Town, Bobby's. What are we getting, Nishok?
OG flavor, bro.
Bobby's, ice cream has been acquired. I have Belgian dark chocolate and Macroc. Kavin has?
Sea salt caramel and hazelnut something, bro. I didn't understand. He said Chianti something he told. But
Sea salt caramel and hazelnut. Nishok, you?
OG flavor, bro. But
OG flavor. Guys, Milano launched a new hazelnut flavor.
it's actually good.
It's actually quite nice. I didn't get it. They got it.
Sad.
Sad for me, yes. But you know, I like to be a little unique. Talking about unique, Kavin didn't get his wax shit today.
Oh, I don't always get it, bro. You go see vlog, most of the times I haven't got it.
We are in the bylanes of K-Town having ice cream, and we're actually having a very serious talk right now. The talk is, if one of us dies, what is something that we own you'd like to have? Kavin, if you die, I'd like your Varna, bro.
That was it's my dad's, it's not mine.
Okay, if you die, I'd like your house. That is also
It's
your
also
dad's.
my dad's. Everything is my dad's. I don't have anything on my own. I have clothes.
I don't want anything from you, Kavin. Nishok, if you die, hey, you don't die, da. What'll I do without you, bro?
Oh.
He doesn't give a fuck about me, bro. That's wild.
Hey, if I die, what do you want from me, bro? Like, of mine.
Protein stack. Just take
Protein stack is crazy, bro. Protein stack is crazy.
You don't even care if I die. I'm not even saying it. That's crazy, bro.
I care, no, bro. I want your Varna.
Okay, I'll take one characteristics, bro, from each of you guys.
Not
okay.
characteristics.
I'll just take. I think that's like more. I don't want to take some belongings that you
Okay.
have, bro.
What characteristic would you like to take off Kavin if he
My
dies?
massive cock you want.
That too, he can put it in you right now, bro. Guys, I'm telling you, this is between you and I, okay? They already do it. What characteristic of Kavin would you like?
I sound it'll be too gay, bro. Don't.
It won't be gay. Come on, I told real talk, bro. Like after 12 in the night, there's no gay talk. It's all straight talk. Correct, Kavin?
Gay talk, huh?
Why is he asking correct Kavin? Like I know the most about gay talk.
Tell, bro.
In terms of being a friend, I think I'll take Kavin. In terms of understanding and listening, Kavin.
Kavin is in touch with his feminine side, guys.
Fucking Mohan never spoke to women on me. Not my part, bro.
Okay, if Nishok dies, what is one characteristic trait that you would like to take from him?
Bro, composure, bro.
Composure. If I die, what characteristic trait of mine would you like?
I'd say living in the present.
Oh, Bobby's.
That's good.
That's actually something a lot of people have told me. Like, I always live in the present. Like, for example, when I was fat, right, a lot of people think that I was the depressed kind of fat. Absolutely not. I was the happiest kind of fat. Ask Nishok, he was in my school.
I'm always happy, bro. Now, so I'm sad.
You, Kavin, what would you like to take off mine?
That's a very good one. But since you said that, I want to say something. I should think of something else. Your guitar playing ability, bro. I'm kidding.
Okay. Even you play, right?
Well, barely.
Not that much. Okay. What would you like to have of mine?
Maybe one more thing you can say his carefree attitude. Where he never takes anything too seriously.
No,
right?
that's good, but
My girlfriend doesn't like that attitude of mine. My girlfriend thinks I take everything too carefree.
No, he takes it on the surface level. Bro, obviously, no glaze.
No glaze is crazy. When he's glazing me, it's like no glaze.
You have to glaze.
bro, if you're gonna ride on it, you might as well go all the way, bro.
If you're riding me, ride me properly. All right, Bobbies, we've reached homes. I mean, I've reached my home. I'm gonna get down now.
Home, sir.
Homes, bro, homes. This is Frank Anthony Public School English, okay? ICSE English. We've reached our homes, Bobbies. Kavin is dropping me off. We'll see you guys tomorrow at the concert.
Today.
Oh, technically today, yes.
Today.
Yeah.